Just saw a giant porcupine on the road. I'm coming to find it. There it is. There it is. Look at him. He's giant. Hey, buddy. Look at him. It's a porcupine. He's staring at me. He's staring at us. He's out of here. That was cool. Saw a real porcupine. I've never seen one of those before. It is cloudy out today. This is a first for our trip. Okay, here's the deal. We're going on a crazy, crazy beaver home adventure right now. And it's kind of creepy out with the clouds. So I hope it's not raining out there. We're gonna go jump in a pond and try to get into a beaver home. And then we're gonna go do some other fun stuff. We have about an hour drive till we get out there. Lincoln's getting some healthy drinks first. What do you got there, bud?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk? It's my chocolate milk.
No, it's mine now.
Okay, we're driving out there and we found a giant bird on top of a nest. Look at that nest. You think it'll attack me, Lincoln? No. There's a power line. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. Okay, 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 I see ya. Where's he going? Where are you going? He's coming back around. He's coming back. He's coming back around. He's coming back around. Whoa! All right, we made it up here. We are going to take some four-wheelers down there and check it out and scope it out first before we take all the tools, because I want to see this beaver home. I've never seen one up close. I don't even know what it looked like. It's gonna be down there. This thing's a little bumpy. This is not like the Can-Am we've used in St. George. Yeah! Way down there, you see that? That's the current home for all the beavers. I don't think that we want to mess with the current home, but an old home on the property that's abandoned, I think we're good. All right, boys, we're gonna go find the beaver home. You go catch some fish, Lincoln, all right? We see a beaver home, there's a couple. There's one right over there. Then there's one over here. The story is if you stick a paddle in the hole or tap it on there, then somehow it'll hear you and growl at you maybe if there's something in there. These both should be abandoned because there's the other home that's bigger that's over that way, but we want to test it out first before we pull out the chainsaw. Beaver home number one. This is a 30-year-old beaver dam. Beaver home. There's a difference.
Can you see how, like, where the hole is right here?
Oh, just right in here?
Yeah. You can see because it's clear.
That's the actual hole where they go in. So they swim in under the water.
All the way in there.
Okay guys, look at this. We've got a paddle all the way in there. That's how far the paddle was. Lincoln caught one.
No.
He caught one. It's a Nike running shoe. You need to move to Alaska so you can catch more shoes. All right, here's the next home. It looks muddier. Does it look muddy to you? Is it just because of the rain?
It could be from the rain.
Oh, you see the beaver? Look at that pile of mud and spit from the beavers and sticks. Paddles in. I don't hear any growls.
So there's nothing in there.
I'm not sure how confident I am in our scientific test here of sticking a paddle in a beaver home. I feel like there's gotta be some other way to figure out whether there's a beaver in. They had to clean some of the beavers out of this pond a year or two ago, and they thought maybe there's gonna be a couple of them. They took out 13 different beavers and there's still beavers in here. We're gonna see if we can get this underneath it. Watch out. Watch your head.
Okay, let's see if we can do this. Here we go.
Oh, man. Look at those skills. Okay, I'm jumping in. Where you go? Okay. Here we go. See these sticks right here? We have to get through this all the way through the slough to the end. That is where the beavers are. This is a big canoe to be going through this little slough. Let me tip the camera down and help. Okay, we're coming up on it. I don't know where it would be in here. This looks like the moat, a beaver moat of a tree. I don't think we can make it over that. Okay, look at that. Their moat is super effective. Wait, look at those giant trees. Do we have to get it through? Do we have to go all the way down there?
No, it's here.
This is it? I'm at the home? I see a little bit of a hole.
You see down there?
Right down
I
there?
think that's it, yeah.
Ooh, there's the entrance. That is it. Oh, I'm scared. Beavers. So there's their home. It goes down there and somehow goes up around. Looks like we could walk around it a little bit. There's the active beaver hole. This is an adventure. We're going to shore. We're walking on top of the beaver home. How fast are they on land? Oh, there's their home. Okay, I see it. It doesn't look as maintained as the other one. She's on top of it.
I don't know.
I'm on top of it.
Well, here.
It's quiet in there.
Oh, there's a bull. A frog.
A frog.
I was like, the beaver.
I'm thinking they're living in that other one. This is a mystery. No signs of beaver. What's up? If we're going to take apart a home, I'm thinking that old one over there is probably the place where we start. All right, mission complete. We made it. Now we have 15 minutes to get to the local store. It's down the road and they have burgers and all kinds of stuff. We're hoping that we can make it before they close. I know it looks like beautiful and sunny like the middle of the day, but it's about 9:15 at night right now and the thing closes at 9:30. So we got our broken shovel, all kinds of stuff. We just got to get out of here and go eat. Let's see if we can make it.
I'm just gonna
We made it. We made it to the lodge. There's that guy. He's walking. We made it to the lodge. We got to get in there and see if they'll give us food. Because right now is like the cutoff. I think we made it fast enough though. We have 2 minutes to spare. Oh yeah, look at this place. This is legit. Look at that bird up there. Oh yeah, dogs. You guys still open? We're good, they're gonna feed us. This place is so cool. You guys see this. Check out the roof. Check out the ceiling. Dollar bills everywhere. All over the place. Look at the wall. What is this? A game room? Oh my gosh, even down this wall, everywhere. Whoa, this place is cool. A bear on the wall, this guy on the wall, ptarmigans on the wall, salt shakers, teddy bear, snowshoes, license plates. Not responsible for women left overnight. I don't really know what that means. Pigs, plates. Is that a toilet? Plants coming out of it. Bedpan, another bedpan. Look at that moose. I wanna touch it. Oh, maybe the coolest restaurant I've ever been to. And we're about to eat and see how good the food is, but I gotta get beaver off my hands. I don't know what show we're watching in here, but at one point when I was eating my pork sandwich, I looked up and there was a severed finger on a plate. No joke. I don't know what it is. Stars Encore Western shows. It was pretty funny. Deal, we just ate, it was really good. We have some dollars. We need to have a what's inside dollar on the wall here. There's so many dollars. If any of you ever come to the Chattanooga Lodge in Alaska, you've got to come and check out the what's inside dollar and maybe add your own dollar. This place is cool. Lincoln, does that sound good? Basically what he's trying to say is he's really tired and we need to get him home and get to bed. Lincoln is defacing currency right here. This is illegal. What's he up to over here? Oh no, not George Washington. This just does not feel right. Oh, that's cool. L on there and you put link. Oh boy, I know what that is. It's a scribble. This is the worst dollar. They're gonna take this dollar off the wall and they're gonna turn you into the police.
I think it's great. You're doing a good job.
Oh, see, she's so nice.
What's inside? 2017.
Nice, dollar. This is the best game right here. Just a random exercise machine from the 70s. There's your Alaskan air conditioning. Look at this room. We found a crazy one and look what we found. Big mouth Billy Bass. Oh yeah. Wow.
Magic trick. This chair could come out from under me.
That was not amazing.
That was more than amazing. That was awesome.
There's Santa. This is Rudolph. Another grizzly. Buffalo. Creepy owl right there. Is this not one of the coolest restaurants you've ever seen? If you come to Alaska, if you go to Fairbanks, go out of your way and come and see this random place. You won't be disappointed. And this is where we end this vlog. It feels like it's the longest vlog ever, but we gotta go home and get some sleep.
It's 10?
It's 10 o'clock, 10:42.
What?
Something like that. It's late. Good night, guys. I hope you enjoyed this beaver day. See ya.